Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Gizmoflix. This is my first video and it is an iPhone XS Max unboxing. If you're interested in some tech unboxing, tech reviews and tech top 10s, please do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's just go on to the main part of the video. Sit back, relax and enjoy. So I picked up an iPhone XS Max for myself. It's in the gold variant and with 256 gigs storage, as you can see. So fresh out of the box, got it on the first day. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. Ooh, that was a drop. I love this wallpaper where it accents the gold steel frame around the phone. Let's go ahead and open this box. The usual paperwork from Apple. The user manual. You get a bunch of the standard Apple stickers. It's not like different in color or you get a bigger ones. It's just the usual standard ones. A hello note and the manual basically. Let's put this aside and now we come for the phone. Let's put that aside. Oh, Apple, they always do this, don't they? I was really hoping for a fast charge brick since you got the fast charge option, but looks like Apple still would like to treat us with the same 5-watt old slow charging brick. You get the lightning connector earphones, earpods, the lightning connector USB cable, and sadly this time you do not get a 3.5mm jack to the lightning converter. So if you want one, pick it up from Best Buy. I think they should have it on a discount. Let's put that away. This, and here we go, the phone. Damn, I actually like this. It has a nice dull copper tone to it, and I like this color. I mean, it's slightly different. Usually I prefer black or grayish black, but I don't know, I like this new change, I guess. Let's see how long I'm gonna hold on to this one. Let's unwrap this. The sound of unwrapping a new phone. Let's power that up. Oh, there we go. Feels good in my hand. As you can see, I have a pretty big hand for this phone, and this is the XS Max, so feels good. I like the big display. I'm pretty sure many of you would prefer this phone for that main reason. Come on, that review put me to sleep. You can do better than that. You can do better. Anyhow, if you like that unboxing, then please do give it a thumbs up. And I'll be doing an in-depth review about the iPhone XS Max, and I'll be comparing it with some photographs that I'll be clicking at the same time with an iPhone X as well. So if you'd like to see some more tech reviews, unboxing, accessories, suggestions, and top 10s as well, please do subscribe to my channel. Your support is always appreciated. Thank you. You guys have a good one.